Hello, discrete math fans. Let's prove that 1.1 to the 20th power is bigger than 6. And we're going to do this without using a calculator. It seems like kind of a party trick at best. And it is because, of course, a calculator will do this for you very easily. But this just shows some power of mathematics. Now, if you actually used your calculator, which we're not going to do in this problem, you would get an exact value. 1.1 to the 20th power is equal to this expression, 6.7 and change. And this is actually exact. And of course, the number that we end up here is larger than 6. So with a calculator, we're done. But now let's apply the power of mathematics to prove this without using a calculator. So now I would ask you to forget this entirely. So what we're going to do is we'll think of 1.1 to the 20th power as 1 plus 0.1 raised to the 20th, and then we're going to apply the binomial theorem. So as we said, 1.1 to the 20th power is 1 plus 0.1 to the 20th. Now let's apply the binomial theorem. So according to the binomial theorem, where a is 1 and b is 0.1, this expression is equal to the sum where k goes from 0 to 20 of 20 choose k times 1 to the 20 minus k times 0.1 to the k. You can use the binomial theorem because a and b don't have to be letters, they can still be numbers. And in fact, in the statement of the binomial theorem, it says that a and b are supposed to be complex numbers. This expression here, 1 to the 20 minus k, that's just 1, so we can drop it. And now let's write out a few terms without using the summation. So this is 20 choose 0 times 0.1 to the 0 plus 20 choose 1 times 0.1 to the first, and so on. Let's now write out what each one of these expressions are. This first expression here, 20 choose 0 is 1, 0.1 to the 0 is just 1. 20 choose 1 is 20, and then we have 0.1. 20 choose 2 is 190. That's 20 times 19 divided by 2. And then 0.1 squared is 0.01. And then finally, 20 choose 3 is 20 times 19 times 18 divided by 3 factorial. If you work all that out, and I promise you that can be done without using a calculator, is 1,140. And then of course 0.1 to the third power is 0.001. Notice there's a dot 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 here. There are more terms. Simplifying each term, we get 1 plus 2 plus 1.9 plus 1.140 plus dot dot dot. There's more here. I just haven't written it. If we add up these four terms, we get 6.04, which is bigger than 6 if we ignore those dot dot dot. All those terms in the dot 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 will be positive. So throwing it away just makes this whole thing bigger than 6. So we've done it. 1.1 to the 20th power is bigger than 6. We were able to apply the binomial theorem and not actually have to use a calculator. Okay, that's all for now.